What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to sample directly to Groove Agent. If this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to all Cubase producers or whoever that uses Groove Agent, right? And if you guys think that I deserve a coffee or a chocolate or anything, you guys can actually go ahead to my PayPal account and transfer some money. Anyways, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and load Groove Agent right now. Okay, so in the previous video I was talking about the differences between Groove Agent SE and Groove Agent 5. One of the differences is that we can actually sample directly to the Groove Agent 5, right? Instead of you recording something in the project window and then dragging it to the pad, you can directly record the audio to Groove Agent. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all you have to do is add an audio track like so, okay, and you have to enable the monitoring. All right, so once you've done that, I'm going to turn off the monitor for now because I don't want it to record together in the video. The next thing you're going to have to do is go to Groove Agent and activate the sidechain and click on this cogwheel, right, and then go and add the sidechain input. So which in this case is the audio 01, which is this one, right? So now when I turn on the monitoring and if you can actually see here that there's audio coming in, right? The audio input, right? So if I record something now, if I want to record my vocal at the moment, all I have to do is click on this button here, record button, subscribe to my channel, right? So I've just recorded it and I press this record button again to stop the recording. And now I can go to sample and I can see my audio right there, right? So let's hit this pad right now. Subscribe to my channel. And you can hear the audio already. Okay, now let's go ahead and set the beginning of the sample. Subscribe to my channel. Okay. So that's how you should do it, okay? But sometimes when you're recording vocal, sometimes when you're recording or sampling like this, you actually recording an empty space here, so it may take quite a lot of space from your hard drive. So to be smart, we don't want to record something like this, okay? So what I'm going to show you guys is you can actually set the threshold. Okay, I'm going to go here and click on this and choose audio threshold. Okay, so now this is the threshold, so everything below minus 30 dB will not be recorded. Anything above minus 30 will be recorded. All right, so in that case I'm going to click on the record button again and you can see that it will only record when I start speaking. Okay, hello, got it. So hello, okay, okay, so now we can see that there's no empty space in the beginning of this audio sample, right? So that is really cool. I really like to use that. Another cool thing that you can do is to set the stop as well, which is the audio threshold. Okay, so now let's record it again. When I press this record, when I start speaking, it's going to start recording, right? However, the moment I stop and when the audio goes below minus 50 decibel, it's going to stop recording. Okay, let's try. Hello, hi. Okay. Hello, hi. You got that, right? Hello, hi. So this is the best way to sample or record your audio directly to Groove Agent, all right? So this is how you should sample the audio properly, okay? And if you want to record an audio from a virtual instrument, what you have to do is, let me just add one real quick here. So I'm gonna go to Wavetable Synth. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to this audio track here and I'm gonna set this to Halion 7, okay? So now when I enable this monitor, I can see that the audio input is coming through, all right? So now if I want to record something here, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the threshold again, and this one also the threshold, okay? So now I'm gonna play something and it's gonna directly record to the sample to the pads of D#1, okay? Okay, so that's the sound. Okay, so actually it goes to E1 instead of D sharp. Okay, never mind. Okay, that's how you can directly sample this to your pad if you're using a virtual instrument straight to the Cubase pad. All right. Okay, and this process is the same even if you're using a different DAW. You know, you can buy Groove Agent 5, and if you have a different DAW, you just follow the same step, right? So if you guys want to know how to do it in Studio One or other DAW, just let me know. I will make another video for that. All right. So that's it for today, guys. It's a very quick video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.